In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Google Analytics reports. If you're looking to streamline your reporting process and ensure timely delivery of analytics to your team or stakeholders, this tutorial is just what you need. Automating your reports can save you significant time and help you maintain consistent communication without the hassle of manually pulling data each time. Let's get started. First, open up Google Analytics 4, also known as GA4, and navigate to the Reports section. This is your go-to place for accessing a rich selection of data insights regarding your website's performance. It's where you'll find all sorts of reports on user behavior, acquisition channels, and much more. The Reports section is visually intuitive, but if you're new to GA4, make sure you spend a little time getting familiar with its layout and functionalities. Next, you'll want to select the specific report you need to automate. GA4 offers various reports out of the box, or you can create custom reports that best suit your business needs. Whether you're monitoring traffic, user engagements, or e-commerce conversions, ensure you've customized the data scope and metrics beforehand to minimize manual adjustments later. Once you've settled on the report, look for the Share This Report icon. It's usually represented by a folder symbol. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll find the option to schedule an email. Selecting this will open the configuration settings for scheduling your report distribution. Now, let's dive into the configuration settings. First, specify the recipients of the report. GA4 allows you to enter up to 50 email addresses. This is particularly useful for larger teams or when sharing insights with multiple departments. As you input the emails, make sure they are correct to avoid deliverability issues. Next, decide on the frequency of these automated reports. You have several options: daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Consider the needs of your audience in making this decision. For instance, daily reports might suit teams tracking rapid changes or campaigns, while monthly or quarterly reports may suffice for more strategic insights. Now, let's talk about file formats. GA4 provides the option to send your reports as a PDF or a CSV file. PDFs are great for straightforward presentations with visual elements, while CSVs are ideal if your team needs raw data for further manipulation in tools like Excel or Google Sheets. Finally, once you've configured these settings to your satisfaction, make sure to save your scheduled report. A confirmation dialog usually appears to confirm your settings. And that's it! You've successfully automated a Google Analytics report. By following these steps, you're setting up a process that not only keeps your team informed, but also frees you up to focus on deeper analysis and strategy development. Remember that you can always revisit and adjust these settings as your reporting needs evolve. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps make